All right, welcome back, students, to this channel. We are still on the basic mathematics series. This is video 5 of the series. And please, if you have not watched the videos 1, 2, 3, and 4, please go and watch them before you continue from here. Okay? It will help you to have a basic understanding, be able to understand what we're going to do here. Then, please, if you have not subscribed, help us click on that subscribe button before you continue watching, and then turn on the notifications so that when we post the next video, you will be alerted or you'll be notified. So, welcome back. This is a continuation from the fourth video. In the fourth video, we dealt with multiplying two numbers by one number and three numbers by one number. And I believe that with that, we can multiply four numbers by one number and so on and so forth. So now, we will be dealing with two numbers against two numbers. And after, we deal with two numbers, three numbers against two numbers, and then three numbers against three numbers. Okay? Now, let's continue. So, now, let us do this. Let us multiply 22 by 23. Okay? 22 multiplied by 23. Now, here we have 22 times 23. Are we good? Now, we will do the same thing that we did before. What you do here is that this number here will multiply everything up here. And when you are done, this number here multiplies everything up here. Are we together? Now, let's start. 3 times 2 is 6. The same 3 times 2 again will give you 6. Now, you now start with this number and multiply them all over again from this side. 2 times 2 is 4. You start writing it from under this number. And then 2 times 2 is what? 4. You see it now? So, start writing from under here. Then you now draw a line and add up your work. So, you're going to bring down 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 means 0, carry what? 1. Put the 1 here. And 1 plus 4 will now give you 5. It's a very simple thing. Okay? Now, we are just doing a review of these things so that when we get into the division, you will cope very well. All right? Now, let's talk about 3 by 3. Let's talk about 3 by 3. For 3 by 3, let's look at 4, 2, 5. Okay, let me do 2 by 3, 3 by 2 first. Multiply by 5, 3. How do we do that? You write the bigger number first. Space it out. 4, 2, 5 against 53. Remember what I told you, right? Start writing it from the unit side. So 3 and then 5. This is 53. So let's multiply. Like I did in the other example, this number multiplies everybody. This number multiplies everybody. So let's begin. 3 times 5 is 15. So I'm going to write 5 and I will carry 1. So put 1 here. Then 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. 3 times 4 is 12. So we have, okay? There's a little bit of a space here, but it doesn't matter. Then let's now go to 5. 5 times 5 is 25. You start writing it from under 5 here. 5 is 25 means we're going to write 5. And we'll carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2, 12. So we'll put 2 here and carry 1. Then 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1, 21. So we'll put 1 here and write 2. They will now add it up. You have 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. You have 2 carry 1. 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. I bring down 2. So the answer is 22525. If you want to pronounce this one, you write the name of this one. Just count 1, 2, 3 and cut it. Put a comma here. This 3 here already means 1,000. So this is 22,525. Is it clear? Please have to multiply 3 by 2. Let's now do an example on 3 by 3 so that we can go into the main thing of this video, which is division. Okay, so number 3. Let us multiply 422 by 223. That is 3 numbers multiplying 3 numbers. How do we do that? So we arrange it again. 422 by, this is 3, bring it here. This is 2, bring it here. This is 2, bring it here. That is 223. Now let's multiply. Now I have 3 numbers multiplying them. So we're going to multiply one by one. So these 3 here multiplies everybody. These 2 here multiplies everybody. These 2 here multiplies everybody here. Now go. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. So we have 1 and 2 here. 2 times 2 is 4. You know, you start writing from under here. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. For this third one that will now multiply everybody, we start writing from under here. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 4 is what? 8. So add it up. Right? So we have 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry 1. Right? So put 1 here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. To write 1, carry 1. Put 1 here. 1 plus 1 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So we have 4, carry 1. Then 1 here. 1 plus 8 is what? 9. So simple to multiply, right? Okay, so you can take different examples and try to solve them. Okay, now let's go into division. Now I know that in division, a lot of students or some people do have problems with how to divide. But I want to, in this video, I'll give you some methods that will be very simple for you as regards how to divide. So for division of whole numbers, with the time allotted to this video, division of whole numbers, I will do one example now. Then we'll quickly round up video. Then next section we continue it. So quickly, let's divide this. Let's divide 866 by 2. Then if you want to divide, listen very, very carefully. If you are dividing 866 by 2, this 866 over 2. Over 2 means divided by 2. Now, you will use this number. Division starts from the left. The addition, subtraction, and multiplication we did all started from the right. Am I correct? Now, division starts from the left. So we do 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. Then 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. And let me remind all you pupils, here if you say 8 divided by 2, you can also say 2 dividing 8. So it is 8 divided by 2 or 2 dividing 8. So you have to know the right way of saying the division. So if you do this now, so start from this side to divide. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then this is your answer. So this is the end of this video, this particular section. But In the next section, we now explore the vision further. Okay, so please, um, before you leave, make sure you click on the subscribe button, because when we post the next video, you need to be notified. Okay, so thank you for coming around.